Hi everyone. For today I'm going to make stir fry blue crab with ginger and green onion. For blue crab I have just the meat, not the cover shell, just like this. And for the ingredient I have dry chili, soy sauce, sugar, cornstarch, salt and pepper, chicken flavor, ginger, sliced ginger, garlic, and green onion. I cut about 4 inches. Now let's start to make two more things. Chinese rice cooking pan, oil for stir fry. Now the first step, I need to marinate the crab first. This salt and pepper. Sugar. Cornstarch. Rice wine cooking. I need 3 tablespoons. Ginger. Chili. Over for 4 minutes. Like out the 2 minutes.
Like chân lại làm gì?
Đặt tất cả tiền sao rút off cho nó đậm sao tê. Không phải cái gì.
Đây đây đây.
Mama mình đặt tay. Now it's ready to serve. Now it's finished for stir fry blue crab, and this is this like a different style from the 2 of them that I have on my channel, and you should try this one. Its taste is so good and smells so good. Now that's it. I hope you like the recipe and enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.